Alright, y'all. It's BA Elevators, and we're out here in Broken Arrow on the south side, or north side of town. Coming up to the Times Express watch here. So we're gonna sneak in here. There we go. I found my gap. There we go. I should be able to just go in. Let's see. It says it was already applied on the app, so I'm going to go through the app lane. Let's go. Guess I'm waiting on whoever's in the line next to me. Yep, here we go. Easy in. We got ourselves a Tommy tunnel. There we go. Left. High pressure rinse. Tommy guard. Drying agent. And spot free. There's a dryer tunnel. My goodness. We're filling the gas, ready to rumble. What's up? Alright, and that'll be that. Thank you guys for watching, and that's all.